Someone asked me the other day if I could explain the TikTok algorithm, so I'm going to do my best. For the record, if anybody on TikTok tells you they know how the algorithm works, they are talking out of their hole. Because the truth is, the only people that know exactly how the algorithm actually work at TikTok. So let me explain it. An algorithm is effectively a framework to get the most out of content on a platform. All of the sites have an algorithm. That will include sites like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and obviously TikTok. They all have algorithms. And the purpose of the algorithm is to effectively create the best experience for both a user and an advertiser. It's all about money. And depending on how the organization's got it set up, the algorithm can be driven by AI, or it will have developers, or what's most likely in the big orgs is it will have a combination of both. And through an analysis of what's happening with user behavior and data from advertisers, the platforms will change the algorithm, because ultimately what they're looking for is engagement and people to stay on the platform, and basically trying to get the balance right. And they do this by basically changing things like hashtags, keywords that you can use in your content, whether music should be more important than a comment or a download or a save, for TikTok specifically. The problem is that social media companies like to play this cat and mouse game with their users, and they don't tell us what it is that they want. So you end up with a situation where most users will say, I've sussed it, I know exactly what I need to do to get my video to rank, and then the algorithm changes. So it's really difficult to say how does the algorithm work, because right now what's happening with the TikTok algorithm is completely different to how it was a couple of months ago. But even though we don't know the specifics, we know some basics. Things like you've got to have quality content that engages from the start, that people watch. The longer somebody watches a video from beginning to end, the higher that video will rank. What's changed recently is SEO, which means now TikTok is actually ranking videos on keywords. So if you go into a video and you see the search bar at the top, you'll see a lot of videos will be ranking for a specific term. And if they're not ranking, that means you've got something wrong with your video effectively, because TikTok doesn't know where to put it in the system. So how does the TikTok algorithm work? Well, it's kind of complicated, but the essentials are good quality content, making sure you use keywords, you focus on a specific topic in each video ideally, you try and get people to watch to the end using whatever tactics or skills you need, and basically get your content out. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions at all, let me know.